Tired of missing out on the joys of grilling during cold winters or rainy days? Do you want to enjoy perfectly grilled food without the hassle of smoke filling up your home? If so, you're in for a treat. Today, I am diving into the world of indoor smokeless grills, a game changer for grilling enthusiasts. From compact designs to versatile features, I've tested and reviewed the top 10 smokeless indoor grills to help you find the perfect fit for your kitchen. Stick around to discover which grill reigns supreme. Number 10. Chefman Electric Smokeless Indoor Grill. The Chefman Electric Smokeless Indoor Grill is a compact yet feature-rich appliance designed for those who want to enjoy grilled food indoors without the hassle of smoke. With its adjustable temperature control and a built-in thermostat, this grill ensures even cooking, whether you're grilling steaks, chicken, or vegetables. The non-stick grill plate makes flipping food effortless and cleanup simple, while the drip tray minimizes mess by catching grease. During testing, we noticed that the Chefman grill heats up quickly and delivers impressive grill marks on meats, giving them an authentic outdoor grilled look. Its versatility is another highlight. You can use it to grill vegetables, make paninis, or even cook pancakes. However, to achieve its smokeless promise, the water tray must be filled properly. Otherwise, cooking fattier foods like bacon can produce noticeable smoke. Another downside is its relatively small cooking surface, which limits its capacity to prepare meals for larger families or gatherings. Additionally, while the lightweight design makes it portable, it feels less sturdy compared to higher-end models. Despite these drawbacks, the Chefman Electric Smokeless Grill is a great entry-level option for occasional indoor grilling. 9. Cuisinart Panini Press Stainless Steel Griddler. The Cuisinart Panini Press Griddler is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to handle multiple cooking tasks with ease. This compact yet powerful device functions as a grill, griddle, panini press, and more, making it a valuable addition to any home. Its reversible plates allow you to switch between flat and ridged surfaces, enabling you to cook everything from fluffy pancakes to perfectly seared steaks. The non-stick plates are removable and dishwasher safe, simplifying cleanup after meals. When testing the Griddler, we found its performance impressive for smaller meals. It excelled at making paninis with crispy bread and gooey melted cheese, while delivering evenly cooked meats like burgers and chicken breasts. The dual-zone temperature control was particularly handy for cooking different types of food simultaneously. For example, grilling chicken on one side while preparing vegetables on the other. However, we noticed that the bottom plate tends to heat more than the top, requiring careful monitoring when using it as a contact grill. One of the standout features is its compact design, which makes it ideal for kitchens with limited counter space. Despite its small size, the Griddler can handle a decent amount of food, perfect for couples or small families. Number 8. Ninja Foodi 4Cutie 5-in-1 Indoor Grill and Air Fryer. The Ninja Foodi 5-in-1 Indoor Grill is a powerhouse appliance that combines grilling with air frying, roasting, baking, and dehydrating. Its cyclonic grilling technology uses high-powered fans to circulate heat evenly around your food, while minimizing smoke production. With temperatures reaching up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, this grill delivers results comparable to traditional outdoor grills, complete with char marks and caramelization. During testing, we were blown away by its versatility. The Ninja Foodi handled everything from juicy steaks to crispy air-fried potatoes with ease. The included crisper basket was perfect for making golden French fries without the need for oil, while the grill grate produced beautifully seared salmon fillets that rivaled restaurant-quality dishes. Its intuitive control panel made operations simple, and the pre-programmed settings took the guesswork out of cooking. However, there are some downsides to consider. The preheating process takes about 5 to 8 minutes depending on the setting, a bit longer than other grills on this list, and its bulky design can dominate counter space in smaller kitchens. Additionally, while it's smokeless during operation, fattier foods like bacon can still produce minor splatters if not monitored closely. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Ninja Foodi 5-in-1 Indoor Grill is an exceptional choice for those seeking an all-in-one solution for grilling and more. Its consistent performance and multifunctionality make it a worthwhile investment for any kitchen. 7. Elite Gourmet EMG 980B Smokeless Electric Tabletop Grill. The Elite Gourmet EMG 980B Smokeless Electric Tabletop Grill offers an affordable yet efficient solution for indoor grilling enthusiasts. With its circular heating element and large 14-inch non-stick grilling surface, this grill ensures even heat distribution across your food while accommodating multiple servings at once. The tempered glass lid helps retain heat and allows you to monitor your food without lifting it. We tested this grill with various foods like steaks, vegetables, and fish, and it delivered solid results each time. The adjustable temperature control allowed us to prepare delicate items like zucchini at lower settings, while searing meats at higher temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Cleanup was straightforward thanks to its detachable parts, all of which are dishwasher safe. However, we did notice some uneven heating near the center of the grill plate during prolonged use, a minor inconvenience when preparing larger meals. Additionally, the power cord is relatively short, which may require you to position the grill closer to an outlet than desired. Despite these shortcomings, the Elite Gourmet EMG 980B shines as a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on performance or ease of use. It's perfect for families or individuals looking for a reliable indoor grill without breaking the bank. Number 6. CUSIMAX Upgraded Electric Indoor Grill. The CUSIMAX Upgraded Electric Indoor Grill is a sleek and modern appliance packed with advanced features designed to elevate your indoor grilling experience. Its double U-shaped heating tubes ensure fast and even heating across its spacious nonstick cooking surface. Equipped with turbo smoke extractor technology, this grill reduces smoke by up to 95%, making it ideal for apartments or enclosed spaces. During our tests, we were impressed by how well this grill handled different types of food, from thick-cut steaks to delicate shrimp skewers. The LED smart display made temperature adjustments precise and easy to manage, ranging from low settings perfect for slow-cooking vegetables to high temperatures ideal for searing meats at 446 degrees Fahrenheit. The tempered glass lid was another highlight. It trapped heat effectively while allowing us to keep an eye on our food without lifting it. While this grill excels in performance and design, its slightly higher price point might deter budget-conscious buyers. Additionally, we found that achieving deep char marks required keeping the temperature consistently high throughout cooking, a small trade-off considering its overall capabilities. For those willing to invest in a premium indoor grilling experience, the CUSIMAX Upgraded Electric Indoor Grill delivers exceptional results with minimal smoke and hassle-free maintenance. Whether you're hosting dinner parties or preparing everyday meals, this grill is sure to impress. 5. Techwood Indoor Smokeless Grill. The Techwood Indoor Smokeless Grill is a versatile and reliable option for indoor grilling enthusiasts. With its advanced airflow technology and hidden fan system, this grill minimizes smoke while delivering an authentic grilling experience. The 1500-watt heating element ensures quick and even cooking, making it ideal for a variety of meals, from juicy steaks to delicate pancakes. During testing, we found its LED touchscreen to be intuitive and user-friendly. The temperature control allows precise adjustments ranging from 212 degrees Fahrenheit to 482 degrees, which is perfect for searing meats or slow-cooking vegetables. The dual grill and griddle plates add versatility, letting you switch between classic grilling and preparing breakfast favorites like eggs and bacon. The tempered glass lid is another thoughtful feature, retaining heat while allowing you to monitor your food without lifting the cover. However, the Techwood grill isn't without its quirks. While the smokeless technology works well for most foods, cooking fattier cuts like bacon can still produce some smoke if the drip tray isn't adequately filled with water. Additionally, the grill's lightweight design makes it portable but slightly less stable during use. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Techwood Indoor Smokeless Grill is a fantastic choice for those seeking a balance between functionality and affordability. 4. Philips HD 637194 Smokeless Indoor Grill. The Philips Smokeless Indoor Grill stands out for its innovative infrared heat technology, which reduces smoke by up to 80%. This grill heats up rapidly to a consistent 446 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring evenly cooked food with minimal effort. The die-cast aluminum grid provides authentic grill marks while directing grease into a cool drip tray to prevent smoke formation. We were particularly impressed by how well the Philips grill handled proteins like chicken breasts and steaks. The constant temperature eliminates the need for adjustments, making it beginner-friendly while still delivering professional-quality results. Cleanup is also a breeze. Its non-stick grid and drip tray are dishwasher-safe, saving time after meals. That said, the Philips grill does have a few limitations. Its fixed temperature setting might not suit those who prefer more control over their cooking process. Additionally, while it's excellent for grilling meats and vegetables, its lack of versatility, no griddle plate or adjustable temperatures, may deter some users. Nonetheless, if smokeless performance and simplicity are your top priorities, this grill is hard to beat. 3. DeLonghi Perfecto Indoor Grill with Lid. The DeLonghi Perfecto Indoor Grill offers a spacious cooking surface and a tempered glass lid that helps retain heat and reduce splatter. With its embedded heating element and non-stick grate, this grill ensures even heat distribution across its surface for consistent results. When testing this grill, we appreciated its ability to handle larger meals, perfect for families or dinner parties. The glass lid doubles as a roaster, allowing you to experiment with different cooking styles beyond traditional grilling. Adding water to the drip pan further enhances its smokeless capabilities, making it suitable for indoor use. However, we noticed that adding food to the grill caused a slight drop in temperature, which prolonged cooking times compared to other models on this list. Additionally, while the non-stick surface is easy to clean, the grate's design can make it challenging to achieve deep sear marks on thicker cuts of meat. Despite these minor issues, the DeLonghi Perfecto is an excellent choice for those who value capacity and versatility in an indoor grill. 2. Power XL Smokeless Electric Indoor Grill. The Power XL Smokeless Electric Grill is a feature-packed appliance designed for convenience and performance. Its built-in fan system effectively reduces smoke while grilling at temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The large cooking surface accommodates multiple servings at once, making it ideal for families or meal prep enthusiasts. During our tests, we were impressed by how quickly this grill heated up and maintained consistent temperatures throughout cooking sessions. The non-stick grill plate delivered beautiful sear marks on steaks and burgers while ensuring easy food release. The included griddle plate adds versatility, allowing you to prepare everything from pancakes to grilled sandwiches. While the Power XL excels in many areas, its multiple components can make cleanup slightly more time-consuming compared to simpler models. Additionally, we found that foods placed in the center of the grill sometimes took longer to cook than those near the edges due to uneven heat distribution. Nevertheless, its overall performance and versatility make it one of the best options on the market. 1. Hamilton Beach Electric Indoor Searing Grill. Claiming the top spot on our list is the Hamilton Beach Electric Indoor Searing Grill, a compact yet powerful appliance that delivers exceptional results every time. With a high searing temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit and adjustable controls for lower heat settings, this grill is perfect for everything from steaks to delicate seafood. What sets this grill apart is its thoughtful design features. A viewing window on the lid lets you monitor your food without releasing heat. Its non-stick ceramic grilling plate ensures effortless cleanup, and an extra-large drip tray catches grease effectively to minimize mess. During testing, we found that it heated up quickly and maintained consistent temperatures throughout cooking sessions. The Hamilton Beach Grill also boasts impressive versatility, despite its compact size. It's equally adept at grilling meats as it is at preparing vegetables or skewers. While it lacks some of the advanced features seen in pricier models, like digital controls, its simplicity is part of its charm. It's straightforward to use and highly reliable. If there's one minor drawback worth mentioning, it's that achieving deep char marks requires keeping the grill on its highest setting throughout cooking, a small trade-off considering how well it performs otherwise. For anyone looking for an affordable yet high-performing indoor smokeless grill, the Hamilton Beach Electric Indoor Searing Grill is undoubtedly the best choice. Final thought, that's all for today, folks.